On to question 3, 3.1, 3.1.1.1. Let's have a look. In the diagram, A is points 3 and 2, B is 6 and minus 4, C is minus 2, minus 3. Our vertices on triangle ABC. T is the midpoint of CB. The equation of line AC is 5x minus 6y equal to 8. The angle of inclination of AB is alpha. Triangle DCT is drawn such that CD is parallel to BA. The lines AC and DT intersect at S. The y-intercept of AC, P, F, and R are the x-intercepts of DC, AC, and AB respectively. Calculate the gradient of AB. The formula to calculate a gradient of AB would be the gradient of AB equals y of B minus y of A over x of B minus x of A. That'll equal minus 4 minus 2 over 6 minus 4, and if you punch it into your calculator you'll get minus 3. So therefore the gradient is minus 3. Question 3.1.2 asks us to calculate the size of alpha. There's two ways of doing it. I'm going to show you my way. So first of all, we must work out the tan of alpha, and that is equal to the gradient of AB. So we know that the gradient of AB is equal to minus 3. We just worked it out in 3.1.1, which means then alpha equals 180 degrees minus tan minus 1 over 3. See, notice that I get rid of that minus 3. I just put 3 in there. You punch it into your calculator, and therefore alpha is equal to 108,43 degrees. Question 3.1.3, calculate the coordinates of T. What is T? T is the midpoint between B and C, line B and C. So what is the midpoint? The midpoint of T would be some value of X for T and some value of Y for T. And it'll obviously give us the midpoint. How do we calculate the midpoint of B and C? Well, it'll be the midpoint. It'll be X of B plus x of C over 2. To get the y value, we'll go y of B plus y of C over 2. And that'll equal, basically filling in the variables, so it's 6 minus 2 over 2, and this will be minus 4 minus 3 over 2. Punch that into your calculator, therefore T, which is the midpoint, will equal 2 and minus 7 over 2. Question 3.1.4 asks us to calculate the coordinates of S. So two things come to mind. First of all, we're told that the equation of AC is 5x minus 6y equal to 8. S cuts the y-axis at S. So what does that mean? That means that x is 0. Therefore, we can just substitute 0 in and work out what y is. So that'll be minus 6y equal to 8. That'll equal to y equal to minus 8 over 6. Therefore, S will equal 0 for the x coordinate and minus 4 over 3. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please drop your question in the questions below. We'll read and respond as soon as possible. If you need more help with math, please click the link below that goes to my channel and go view what we have available there.